the Schwinn 470 elliptical is the best trainer that Schwinn offers. In this hands-on review, we detail the experience of using the Schwinn 470 so that you can learn whether this elliptical is right for you. Challenges. With 2 interval training options and 2 forms of uphill climb, challenges provide the highest intensity workouts designed for higher people with higher levels of personal fitness. Display console design. If you are finding it difficult to choose between a shortlist of ellipticals, a good area for comparison is usually the display console. With 2 display screens instead of the usual one, the Schwinn 470 makes it much easier to quickly find important information about your workout. While the lower display shows your speed, time, distance, resistance level, and calories burned, the larger display is reserved for displaying information about your current workout program. The grid area also shows clearly how far through the workout you are. There are other areas of the screen that have been specifically allocated to displaying your heart rate, intensity, and any current goals or achievements. Whereas the earlier Schwinn 430 displayed quick select buttons for just the resistance, the 470 also provides a collection of buttons for quickly adjusting the incline. The same focus on enjoyable workouts seen with the 430 model is also shown on the Schwinn 470 console. With a cooling fan, speakers to listen to your favorite music, and a stand to rest your tablet while you watch a film, your workouts can be both effective and enjoyable. Ergonomic design features. With so few high-quality elliptical trainers available that provided both resistance and incline, this has become one of the standout features of the Schwinn 470. Although not ideal for shorter users, under 5'2", due to the 2.0 precision path stride length, the large articulating footplates and rear glide rails provide a smooth running motion throughout your workout. Being a front-driven elliptical, the running motion will already provide a more intense workout for your quads and glutes compared to a rear-driven machine, with the 6 incline positions really boosting the maximum intensity. With 25 levels of eddy current creating the resistance, there's no need for any belt or fan system around the flywheel. This helps to keep your workouts quiet, as well as smooth. Stability is another area that Schwinn have put great thought into with the 470. As well as the standard large front stabilizer, you also have added support around the middle and back of the machine in the form of adjustable levelers. These can be individually adjusted to cater for any uneven ground the machine might be resting on, while at the same time strengthening the support of the glide rails. If you're worried about needing to move the machine once it's set up, transport wheels have been attached to the front stabilizer bar to make transport a lot easier. Heart rate controlled. As well as the 12 preset programs, the Schwinn 470 also includes for heart rate controlled options. Mountains. With greater variation in resistance levels through each of the 4 programs, mountains are designed to improve your aerobic fitness while assisting with fat loss. Workout programs. Fun rides. For preset profiles to choose from, generally with a gentle variation in resistance and intensity. The fun ride options are ideally suited to anyone who is just starting a fitness program or looking for a lower intensity cardio workout.